Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family, and today I'm making another Christmas treat, and it's called a chocolate marshmallow pecan peanut butter crunch. It's a lot to say, but it's going to be oh so delicious to eat. I'm using a chocolate almond bark, and I'm just cutting it up into chunks with my Rada knife. You all know how much I love my Rada knife, and I'll put a link in the description box to the Rada store. If you don't have one, you'll certainly love it if you order one. So let's get this cut up, and we're going to melt this chocolate, and then we're going to add some peanut butter cereal. We're going to add some pecans, and we're going to add some marshmallows. Sounds a lot like a rocky road, doesn't it? So let's get started. Let me get this chocolate melted, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Hold on. I'm just got done melting this chocolate, and it took about 2.5 minutes to melt it. Chocolate is something you have to be real careful with when you're melting. You probably heard me say that on the last video. You'll think it's not melted, but it is, so keep stirring it. I started this package out at 2 minutes and then just slowly added a little time after that till I got 2.5 minutes. So, but this was I forgot to tell you, this was a 1 pound, 4 ounce package of almond bark. So I've got it stirred. It's good and smooth. If you can see down in there, real good, no lumps. So next we're going to start adding the good stuff. So let's add our cereal. I have Reeses Puffs Cereal today, and I saw it in the store and I thought, I bet that would make a good candy. And I've used Captain Crunch. I'm sure you've probably seen that. If not, I'll try to link it. And it's delicious. You can do the same thing, melt your chocolate, add some Captain Crunch cereal, and some peanuts. I use salted, roasted peanuts. Mix it up, drop it out. It is so good. You can use any kind of cereal you want. I've done it with Fruit Loops. Tricks are made for kids. Candy. You can use corn flakes. I wouldn't use Frosted Flakes because this is going to be sweet. So, but you know, the sky's the limit. So I'm going to measure out and see how many cups of cereal we want to put in. That's like 2 heaping cups. Let's stir it up and see if we want to add a little more. But remember, we got some other stuff we want to add in here. So we want to leave room for it. Oh yes, 2 cups of that cereal, ooh, that's loud, is gonna be wonderful. We're gonna chop up some pecans and add in there too. Now, if you can't have pecans for whatever reason, you can leave them out. You don't have to use them. You know, the thing about this is you can change things up. Make it your own. If you don't like one ingredient, leave it out or use something different. That's what I like to do. I'll read recipes, and I know I've told you this before. I'll read recipes and I'll say, I think I might like it better like this. And then I'll try it. And if I don't, that's okay. You know, you just do it until you're happy and you like it. That's the thing about it. You want it to be good and happy for you and your family. Look at here. Well, let's see how many pecans we have here. Do I need them a little smaller? You don't want dust. You don't want pecan dust. Yeah, I miss having my Stephanie with me today doing this. She's at work today. So, but we'll be together soon with some more ideas for you. It's the holidays, and this is a fun time. Let's see if we have a cup here. We should have a cup. Oh, yes. We've got a cup of pecans. Let's see if we want more. Dump them in. Let's stir that up. I think a cup is plenty. Let's add some marshmallows. Yeah, I've got a little bag here. Let's finish it up. See how many marshmallows we want to put in it. We'll measure. We're going to measure today. Not coming out too easy, are they? Well, we'll do this. We're going to say that's a cup. How about that? And that's not enough. I can look at it and see. Let's add some more. I think we might add 2 cups of marshmallows. That cup was a little bit shy. So we're going to heap this one. It won't hurt anything, will it? Oops, we don't want you. Oh, looky. Y'all look. See how that's coming out? Oh, isn't that? Oh, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. You know, and there's so many ways that you can do this. You can scoop them out onto waxed paper. I like to use cookie scoops a lot, but just use a spoon. You don't have to have cookie scoops to do it. Look here, I've got chocolate all over me. And, or I'm going to show you a way that I like to do it. And we're going to line this pan with these little mini muffin cups. And see, they're decorated. And it's just going to be so beautiful. And you can put them in some little gift bags. Look at these cute little sweet gift bags I have. They have snowmen on them. Or you can put them in a tin and give them to someone. Give them as a gift. Or you might just want to keep them for yourself. So let's clear the deck a little bit. Let's give it one last stir. And we're going to start scooping. Looky here. Now, this is just the perfect size to have for a bite of just something sweet. Maybe you want an after dinner treat from a holiday party. You want something to take to a holiday party, a family gathering. These are quick, they're easy. You see how long we've put them, it's taken us to put them together, and it's not long at all. Now looky here. Look at that. So I'm going to finish scooping these out, and I'm going to come back when I'm finished and show you what they all look like. We're going to let them set up, and then we might try one, okay? We're back. One thing I forgot to tell you is your pecans, your peanuts, such as that. I keep mine in the freezer because the oils in these nuts will eventually go rancid if you don't. And if I'm using them a lot at the time, I won't. But if I'm only using a little bit here and there, then I keep them in the freezer. So that's just a little tip for you. All right, so our candy has set up, and it's only been, I don't know, about 15 minutes maybe. So I want to show you how I present it sometimes. Look at this beautiful tray. Can you see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous little candies. If we can get it out here, I got that one stuck. Looky there. Now see, you've got that. You can pull it back and try it. And we're going to, that's going to be ours to try. But you see, I took this cookie tin and I've lined it with parchment paper. So I'm going to put some in here. I just wanted you to see how we do it. And cover it up. These will keep for quite a while. So you don't have to worry about, oh, we've got to eat them in the next 3 or 4 days. These won't go bad on you like that. So I like to start making my holiday candies ahead of time. And now is the time to start doing it. And some of the things you can do, you can get prepared, put in your freezer, and like cookie dough. You can go ahead and fix it up, put it in the freezer, and you've got it when you're ready to make it, and you've got less work. Do things when you have time. Now looky here. Look at that beautiful tin full of our sweet little candies. Okay, now I want to show you what else I'm going to do. Look, now see, wouldn't that make a beautiful gift for someone? So let's move this out of the way. And look at these others. See, I got 2 more. I got 52 candies out of here. And I could have gotten 54 if I had cut back on some of the others, but why? So, but I showed you these sweet little snowman bags, right? Let's put some in here. We're going to take these to some friends. Okay, looky there. Now, roll down the top. Seal it up, and looky there. You can put a tag on it that says Merry Christmas from Karen at Food and Family, or use your name, and people will love it. They know that you thought enough about them to give them a homemade gift. So how about that? Anyway, I just wanted to show you how I serve them. Now, if you don't have any cute little bags like this, you can get some of the clear cellophane bags. Get you a cute little ribbon. Tie up the top. Put you a tag on it. It says Merry Christmas. And there you go. You've got a gift. Fill them up. All right, so we've got these finished. Now, let's taste. We didn't taste our candy. Ooh. Oh, I see everything right here in this bite. Look there, you can see the marshmallows and you can see the pecan. Yeah, that's so good. I love to put peanut butter in my fudge when I make it. So this is perfect right here. I've got the chocolate, the peanut butter cereal. It gives the crunch along with that marshmallow and that pecan. Can't get any better. Okay, thanks everybody for joining me today. I certainly appreciate every one of you, but we'll be back soon with more options, more treats for you. So we appreciate you joining us.